Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. I am Reha and today we are at Hotel Tattva जो recently open हुआ है अंबरनाथ Pipeline Road पे, which is giving so many amazing offers. At the entrance of this hotel, you will get this tattoo artist who will make an absolutely free of cost tattoo, that too as per your kid's choice. Isn't it amazing? Talking about their ambience is completely Instagrammable ambience, very spacious, wherein you can celebrate your anniversaries, birthday parties, corporate events, and many more. Here you will get n number of areas wherein you can take pictures and selfies and take back some memories. स्टार्टर्स एंड मेन कोर्स के बीच में ब्रेक तो लेना बनता है बॉस. Here you will get this spacious dance floor wherein you can enjoy it with your family and friends with this special DJ man. Talking about their offers now, here you will get all the cocktails and mocktails, buy one get one absolutely free, and buy two get one beer absolutely free. You will get all the branded liquors on MRP. Play their internal game and get amazing discount on your food bill. Talking about their menu, here they have a huge variety wherein you can actually get confused what to order and not to. They have a good variety in Indian appetizers, tandoor appetizers, main course, breads, biryanis and lots more. So here we have ordered Kashmir ki kali, chili cheese kebab and paneer hilltop. First we tried their paneer hilltop. The paneer cubes were so thick and the filling inside the cubes were so generous. And the paneer was so soft. मुंह में डालते ही paneer was just like melted away. And then we tried there with two different chutneys. First we tried the paneer hilltop with their mint chutney. And their mint chutney is like सोने पे सुहागा ही हो गया. The chutney was so flavorful. It contains lot of. And then we tried their Kashmir ki kali. इसकी presentation तो बहुत amazing थी and so much of cheese grated on the top. Oh my god, it was so fantastic, so crispy from outside and cheesy from inside, wherein you can't even resist to take their another bite, and that too with their mint chutney. The flavors were so enhanced when we ate with their mint chutney. It was very nice and so flavorful. Then we tried their chili cheese kebab, which has taken no efforts in breaking it, and it was so much of cheesy. When we had their first bite, it was so crispy from outside and so flaky and cheesy from inside. In mains, we tried their Sabzi Lovely Garden, जिसको देखते ही आपका दिन garden garden हो जाएगा. When we took their first bite, the gravy was so buttery and creamy and it contains lots and lots of cashew nuts. The taste were fantastic and amazing. You can't even resist to take the another bite of it. It was so flavorful and the flavors were so subtle, no spicy at all. And when we tried their second sabzi, it contains lots of paneer, green peas. Again, the gravy was so full of butter and creamy. The flavors were so subtle. Okay, bye. Follow for more.